Welcome. I'm Monica Garcia. I'm the principal at Peter Kirk Elementary School. Our new building will open in 6 short months on the first day of school, September 3rd. We'll host a grand opening celebration in October to welcome the community. You don't have to wait that long to see what the new school will look like. Here's a short 3D tour of the new building to give you a peek of what's to come. Of course, there will be more details in the new school, more furniture, books, more students, and of course more staff. We are looking forward to having windows in the main office. Having a clear view of the exterior is one of the many highlights of the new building design. Visitors will still need to be buzzed into the building. Then they will move through the vestibule to sign at the main office. Assemblies and community gatherings will meet in the commons, where the music room converts to a stage for performances. We look forward to having a space that comfortably accommodates all of our staff and students, as well as large parent and community groups. Our extended day program will be based out of the commons as well. On a typical day, the commons will hold students during lunches. Students will have the experience of eating in a lunchroom rather than classrooms. The commons is adjacent to the gymnasium and will be separated by a movable wall. The design for the new Peter Kirk Library is full of light and it feels airy. Our school's collection of children's books and our professional library will fill the shelves in the new space. Our librarian looks forward to teaching students about research methods and digital literacy skills. The school construction input team that included staff, community, and family members identified the importance of nature to the Peter Kirk community. The team expressed the wish that the new building bring the outside in and reflect the nature that surrounds campus. Each pod includes a shared learning space where classes can host guest speakers, bring their entire pod together, or hold small group sessions. Students will have access to these common areas to work in small groups. Sliding glass walls will open to extend the classroom into the shared learning space. Students will store their coats and belongings in classroom cubbies. Natural light will provide students with a healthy learning environment. Interior LED lights will dim or brighten automatically, and motion sensors will turn off the lights when no one is in the room. Thank you for joining us. We look forward to thanking our community and voters at our grand opening ceremony in October. Subscribe to the Lake Washington School District Building on Success e-newsletter to receive updates about this and other projects at lwsd.org/building-on-success.